This is a pretty simple tutorial. So simple I don't know if it is even needed. However, I was in the mood to create, and any upload is better than none. This is a tutorial for anyone looking to reroot a bold doll with no hair plugs. I love the Barbie Fashionistas 82 doll. Her haircut is different, refreshing and cute, but I had to see what she would look like with long hair. I removed her hair using 100% pure acetone and a lot of cotton buds. I was surprised by how easy her buzz cut came off. She is completely bald with no hair plugs. Now, let's get rerooting. You will need patience, a bold doll, an 80 grit nail file, a needle or two, cutters or pliers, craft, fabric or super glue, push pins, and the hair you wish to reroot with. Firstly, you will need to establish if your doll's head is even ready. Is it soft or hard? This doll's head is very soft and pretty flexible. If your doll's head is hard, you will need to soak it in boiling hot water for at least 5 minutes. This will soften the head, making rerooting a dream. You can create hair plug holes by simply using a push pin or any sharp needle-like tool. This is a tedious process, but it helps you plan where and how you would like your doll's hair to fall. When you are done, simply push your reroot needle into the hair plug holes. The alternative method is much faster and preferred by me. If you don't have a rerooted needle, you can buy one, or you can cut the tip of a regular needle using pliers or cutters. You will also need a needle holder or handle. You can find all these tools via eBay or Amazon. Now, grab an 80 grit nail file and sharpen the tip of your rerooting needle. Use your reroot needle to collect the hair. Hold the hair taut and push it into your doll's head. It should go in easily. If it doesn't, you should soak your doll's head again in boiling hot water for about 5 minutes. Now, do it everywhere you want the hair to be. Rerooting a standard Barbie doll head is a time-consuming task. I believe I spent about 3 hours rerooting this doll. However, I find the process rather therapeutic. Once you have completed your rerooting, grab your glue of choice and thoroughly seal the hair plugs inside. Be generous with the glue. You don't want the hair falling out while you are styling. Now, leave it to dry overnight. How you wish to style your doll's hair is entirely up to you. I decided to give this doll braids. I hope this simple tutorial is of great help to someone. Feel free to check out my other tutorials and ask questions. Like what you have seen? Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Your support is appreciated and a great motivation. Also, feel free to suggest some content ideas. What do you want to see from me? Thank you for watching.